Today is Saturday morning. As you guys can see outside, the light is out, so that means I'm not fishing today. You guys know when I go out fishing, I normally go early in the morning. But today I got something exciting to share with you guys. As I've been telling you guys, the ice is coming to an end, ice season is coming to an end, and it's all gonna be about open water. So I want to take you guys on this journey with me. Make sure you like, subscribe, put a comment, let me know where you guys are listening from. All right? Oh yeah. So today I'm not fishing today. Where am I heading? That's right. I'm heading to the USA. Today, I'll be driving down to the US. Very excited about this one. I drive down to the US already, but never drive down on this kind of mission. So, let me tell you guys what I'll be doing today. I'll be driving down to the US, looking for a boat. Gonna buy a boat, drive back to Canada with it, and get it ready for the summer. Try to restore it and make it my boat. Nothing too big, nothing too small, but something that I could work on and take you guys on the journey with me. I'm not a boat expert. I'm not that experienced too much in boat. I had 3 other little boats already before, but I said, take you guys on this journey with me. We're gonna be driving to the US right now. Here I come! Excuse me. So we'll be driving there right now to the US, and we'll be picking up a boat. I'll give you guys all the ups and downs, all the mishaps, all what I went through in terms of border patrol, immigration, fees on the boat, all the pros and cons. So just stay tuned with me on the journey, and then let's enjoy. Still in Canada, still here. About to cross, maybe next, I will say 30 minutes. 30 minutes should be over. Stay tuned for the exciting adventure with me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. That's Coleman is up to something again. Woo, yeah! We are excited journey this morning. We're not fishing today, but we're heading down to the US. Something that I've never done before. Going to the US and pick up a boat. In search of a boat and head back with it. Keep you guys on the journey. Don't forget, guys, to like, subscribe, share the video. Always good join. Let me know where you guys looking from. You guys know, because without you guys, I wouldn't be able to create those content and make it happen for you guys. And even me, when I was looking at to try and get a boat and stuff, I heard that it's so difficult. You have to go through water service, so I'm like, whenever I heard the word difficult, that's something that sparked my excitement. I said, it's difficult. Let me try it. So that's what I'm doing today, guys. Driving over. Probably might take the Peace Bridge, drive over to the US in search of a boat. Hopefully I could cut a deal today, put it behind the truck and right back to Canada. Let's see. If that's possible, if I can make it happen, but I'll make it happen. As long as you go down there with positive energy, anything is possible. You make it happen. So definitely, I'll make it happen. Ooh yeah! You know, they're on the journey. Almost, I say about 15 minutes. Then we should be over in the US. Stay tuned, boys. Yes, just got at the bridge. Let's cross the border. Yep, just at the border. Traffic, but at least you could get a nice view. Looks so frozen. So look like we got a 15-minute delay, and see some guys walking. So there's actually a bridge that you could walk across from the US to Canada. You just walk if you feel like walking. Maybe next time I'll take the journey and just walking. Maybe in the summertime and get a Uber or Airbnb close by. I'll show you guys again. There you can see the falls here. Those guys are walking over. Fall kind of look a little bit frozen. Beautiful Mother Nature. The game of waiting. Just gotta wait. Ooh yeah! Just waiting to go over and in search of a boat and bring it back today. It's possible. We make it happen. I'll make it happen. You guys just stay on the journey with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. As you can see, these are all people coming here, I guess on the American side, to visit the falls. I guess this is a hot air balloon. Seeing some people inside there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8 closed lanes, and we have only 4 open lanes. Gotta enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride. Take our time, cross over the border, and then hunt for that perfect boat that we're gonna walk on and make sure that we make it what we want. Stay tuned, boys and girls. Thanks for just being here on the journey with me. Really mean a lot to me that you guys are loving what I do, loving, and any way I could motivate you guys, that's what I'll keep doing, Guess what, guys? I made it through. Hey! Oh yeah! I'm on the other side, boys. I made it through. I'm right here. I'm in the United States of America. Now the journey continues. Let's find myself a boat and take it back to Canada. Huh? America! Good morning! Thank you guys for staying on the journey with me. I'm on the other side. Okay boys, that was smooth and going in. Wasn't that hard. Getting in was smooth. Now we're officially in the US. US Custom and Border Protection. That's right, we're officially over the border. Ooh, yeah! Now we gotta get the GPS going. Let's see what it's saying to us. We gotta go to the left. Yep. It wasn't hard. I'm getting over. Now we just got to get on the hunt now. Searching and searching. Oh, one we saw in the air. This was the balloon we saw in the air with the people inside it. So, New York State Park. Let's go. Don't forget guys to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, we just crossed over the border. That's what it looks like. It's pretty big. Looks small from the direction we was in. Okay, let's do this. New York State Park. Let's go. Don't forget guys to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. We just crossed over the border. That's what it looks like. It's pretty big. Looks small from the direction we was in. Okay, let's do this. Looking around. So over the bridge, that's the Canadian side. That's where I just came from. So there's the next bridge there, but I don't know why it sent me to the Peace Bridge. I guess the flow of traffic probably. But hey, we are here. Oh, I just think I should share that vital information with you guys. In Canada we drive in kilometers, and in the US it's actually miles. So when I cross over the border, I had to just switch over to kilometers, because when you see the to miles per hour, because when you see the speed limit and you see 30, because we come from Canada, we drive in kilometers, so we might think it's 30 kilometers. So always remember to switch over. If you have the button like mine, switch over to miles, so you don't be overspeeding and get any unnecessary ticket. Alright, that's a little useful information that someone might just forget. Or if you don't have the option, you could just always look at your gauge and make sure that you're doing the speed limit that's in miles, not kilometers, because Canada is kilometers, the US is miles per hour. Alright? Oh yeah! Useful tip of the day. Just a little drive around town in this beautiful small, I guess, city or state in New York called Youngstown. I guess Youngstown is not that far from Lewistown, so I guess this will be the police. Youngstown police. Okay. Yep. We're in a town called Youngstown. Drive around and see what we're looking for. Okay. Seen one, but a little bit too small. Almost a little bit small like the one I had before. A little bit too small. Up to. I just saw this one. Actually small, like the one I saw last year. So I'll keep looking and see. I think I'll probably go for more fiberglass. Fiberglass is considered to be heavier boat, but it's more stable on the water compared to aluminum. Aluminum is lighter, you know. There's pros and cons, but I think I'll prefer fiberglass boats. Let's keep looking. This will be us in the summertime. This will be us, but first we gotta find a boat. We got to find a boat. I wonder if I should stop this guy in the water. Hey buddy! You selling? Are you selling the boat, buddy? Are you gonna be like, what's wrong with you? You crazy? That's the journey we decided to take this morning. Come down to the US, drive around, look for a boat. Someone within 10 minutes after we crossed the border, but wasn't feeling this one too much. So, he's on my bumper, driving too slow. Keep my eyes open. Okay, boys, I think I found the perfect boat. I'm looking at it. See, this looks like the perfect boat. I was looking at this one, but mine was a little bit too small, and it's not that deep of a halt. So that was the second one. So I turned my attention to the left side, and this is actually, I believe, the perfect boat for me to take home back to Canada with me. AquaSport. This is a 2000. Okay, so that will be a 20 feet. What do you guys think about this? Trailer is in good condition. Registration is up to date. Everything looks, it's a nice deep hull, so definitely will be able to handle the waves. Need a nice little paint job. Take a look on the inside and see. Oh, upholstery. Everything looks good. Come with the Ocean Runner. I haven't seen this first time, but I guess it's to protect from the rocks. But I believe that's gonna stop the power of the engine. It's a 150 Let's see. It's a big mama. We gotta try to stick around and then let somebody see me in the area and be like, "What are you doing? Oh, you shouldn't be here." And then we find the owner and say, "Hey, buddy, you want to sell this boat?" But I think this feels like me. What do you guys think? So quiet. Hopefully someone could show up. Be like, "Oh, what are you doing here?" And then, but let me stick around and see. Oh, also, so maybe it's a lot of rocks in the area where they go, and this one has it. So, let's see. Don't forget to like, subscribe, guys. We're on a different journey. If I get this boat, I'm gonna restore this boat. So nice. Definitely gonna need a T-top. Lots of stuff that to bring it up to today's. But I think this is a boat would be a good boat to do what we got to do on the Great Lakes. Stay tuned. Don't forget, guys. Like, subscribe, tell a friend. We're in the US trying to get a boat and take it back to Canada. We're not leaving until we hook up a boat to this truck and take it back. Alright, stay tuned. Looks like everything looks good with this one. I just find someone. Try and see if we can locate the owner. I think we're gonna take a drive around town again and see. Um, Between the three boats, I think I'm more leaning to this. Leaning to this one. I'm gonna do a little bit of research on it and I'll get back to you guys. Don't forget, guys, to like, subscribe, share. Let me know where you guys watching from and give me your input on this boat. What do you guys think about this boat? It's Ockersport, which is, I guess, American made. House look good, trailer looks good. The main important thing for me, if the price gonna look good, I think I'll be able to negotiate. If it's for sale, one, and two, if I could find the owner. So it's been quiet. People start to look at and see what is this strange guy doing here. That's what I want, to create that commotion so people can come and see and say, "Hey, what is he doing here?" And just tell them, "Hey, I'm not interested in buying one of those boats," and then hopefully they could guide me to the right person. To give you guys a closer look at what there's a lot of upholstery to get done, but that's okay. I don't know why they have this tank there, because normally there's a tank inside the boat, but they add an external tank to it. Don't know what's the reason of that, but we could ask, make sure. You guys think I'm gonna go home today with this boat? Got up this morning, jump in the truck, and decide to come to the US and scoop up a boat and try to put in some work into it and hit the waters with it. So this is just part one of this new journey, guys. Thank you guys for supporting, watching, sharing, liking, you know, just being on the journey with me. This boat look like me, right? Yeah, I believe it looked like me. So it's not bad. A little bit small, I find, but I think this is perfect, especially with the kids. Could come out and enjoy themselves out with me. Good size, good. Safe enough. All right. Let's sit tight and hopefully we could get the owner. Yeah, just got someone pull up, so I'm gonna talk to them and see what's going on. So guys, this guy just came up there and he's saying he had some people who were saying that there's someone around the boat. It's actually this boat belongs to his brother, so he gave his brother a call. He says his brother was considering selling it, but more in the June, July. So I told him that, well, I'm here, and then if your brother considering selling it, why don't you call him and, you know. So he says he's gonna talk to his brother, give him about half an hour to 15 minutes. I say I got all day, and he'll get back to me and let me know. I asked him about the paperwork and stuff. He said yes, his brother should have all the paperwork, everything should be organized, and it was on the water last year. Runs great, you know, but then again, everyone says until you get into the boat, but I'm not really too fussy about runs great and all that. The boat is good. I know it could float just by seeing it. So engine, open it up and play with it, you know, take it up to my guy and see what's going on. So right now we're just in the waiting game. Let's wait and see. Feels so good to just come out without a plan and just execute. We got some good news. Ooh, yeah! Got some good news. Liz, we did find the owner of this boat. Now is to try to seal a deal. You guys believe I can walk away with this boat today? If not, we gotta go search again. But right here in the US, we're not living without a boat tied to this truck and taken back to Canada. Nope. We're not living. We're not living. So we gotta do the happy dance. No way we'll be leaving. No way, no way, no way, Jose. No way, no way. I like this boat. Yeah, I did a little research about them. Pretty solid boats.
This way a little bit.
deal is done. Yes, guys, the deal is all made. All hooking up now. Back to Canada. Oh yeah, that's a lovely determination. Whew. Guys, this take way quicker than I thought it was gonna take. Look behind me, boys! I got a boat! I got the boat! And this was the one I was actually eyeing. I say yes. This one is the one. It's hooked up now. Heading back to Canada. Wow, didn't even take that long. I was expecting, to be honest. I said maybe I'll look around all day, but happened way quicker than I anticipated it. Yep. You guys, so I'm back at the border, heading back into Canada. Let's see how difficult it's gonna be with this boat behind me. Heading back to Canada. This was a mission that was, well worth it, I will say. Let's see. The boat is behind me. Keep the positive energy and let's go back to Canada. Thank you, America. Got the boat. Keep you guys in the loop. Don't forget, guys, to like, subscribe, tell a friend to get on board with the journey. Just going with the flow, going with where the wind blows. We just go. You guys know, still out there. Gotta go to duties now and clear. So let's see. Go to the left, clear some duty. So it is, but you gotta pay the taxes, right? Oh, thank you. Yes. So guys, unfortunately I couldn't take the boat over due to documentation, so I had the guy follow me over the border. Just something like this happens, and it did, but we will find the right documents and come back. We will. Every disappointment is a blessing. Ooh yeah. We'll be back. We'll be back. Get the right documents, and then later on in the video I will explain to you guys what was missing. So here's the boat. It's going back to the US. You was that close, but we didn't make it. You were that close. We're going back to the US. Yep, we were that close, but we couldn't go. At least we got a boat. That's what's exciting about this. We have a boat. Okay? Friday went over border. No, you don't need no paperwork for the boat. Is more the trailer they're more concerned about, because the trailer is what's considered as a vehicle, I guess, right? So the guy I bought it from didn't have the paperwork for the trailer, so unfortunately I gotta turn around, send the boat back, and head to Canada with no boat today. But regardless, we'll be coming back. Got to go back. You got to pay the pass. It's a toll. Is it won't pay? Hello. Let's see how much it costs. Yes, please. Thank you. How much did it cost? Not bad. Cost us $8.50 to get back into Canada. But when I was going, I didn't even pay to get into the US. Well, boys, we find a boat. That's a good thing about it. Now it's just getting the right paperwork. Oh, it's this close. You know, when you're this close, I was so close. The boat actually reached Canada border, this close, but officer said no way. That's okay, you know what I mean? Officer's doing the job. So that's why when you're buying a boat, guys, make sure you got the proper paperwork for it, especially if you bring it over borders. If it was just in the US, I don't think it matters. Even if it was in Canada also, I don't think it would matter, you know what I mean? Just to go register it, it's, you know, it wouldn't matter. But crossing the border, well, it is what it is. Gotta get the trailer for this. Maybe I just might go on a different adventure. Let me pull up and check my GPS and stuff, and maybe I probably could go back to the border. I'll be back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know where you guys watching from. Went to the US this morning, find a boat. Had to go in the ship, but for the boat, but not the trailer. So had to go back to square one. So boys, let me exit. I'll exit. I think I do have a plan. Ooh yeah! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ooh yeah! Back in Canada. No boat, but purchased one. Guy just gonna work on the paperwork for me, and I'm gonna try again. That's how it is, you know. And that's why I really enjoy doing this, because I went out there, I have no idea, no expectation, although I did a little research and stuff, right? Thought it was, you know, get to the border, you'll be able to get a Ontario plates on, but without having the trailer register here in the US, there's no way they could switch it over to Ontario. But it's part of the adventure, part of learning. I enjoy it, so I'll be going back to make sure all the paperwork, everything is in 100%. that's how it is. You know, a lot of us out there with boats and stuff, we barely even register our trailer and stuff. You know, most of us just live close to the water, just in and out, and but that's understandable. So, but when you're crossing the border and stuff, you need to have the proper paperwork, you know. And I don't blame no one. I don't look and say, oh, it's, you know what I mean, they should let me come in. No, you know, appreciate the Canadian Border Services for doing a very good job. And you know, the rules are the rules. You gotta obey the rules. Always obey the rules. Go by the rules. Play by the rules, and you're not gonna end up in yourself in no problems. You know, so we play by the rules. We see what we're missing. Go back to the drawing board. Come back again. Boat is already purchased. It's mine. So next time, it's just going down and sailing back up. Then we should be good. Alright, boys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you guys back on another day. Gonna head back to the US. Part 2. Hopefully, I got the boat back on Canadian grounds. I'll get it. I will get it. 100%. I will get it. Believe me. Believe me. It was that close.